Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to hack Zyn. So first of all, you're gonna use my code and get a special $20. Without being sad, let's start the video. First step, so you're gonna go to your Google Play Store or App Store and you're gonna install that app that I'm gonna leave the link on the description. You're gonna write easy scroll, then you search for it. Okay, so you're gonna see this one, the first one. Download it, and when you finish download it, you open, and then you're gonna go where it says scroll, and then you swipe up. Now you're gonna take how many seconds you want, and me, I chose 20 seconds, and now you press start. And then now you're gonna open your Zyn app. If you use it, you're gonna have a use my code, this one. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you can see. And today I just got a $10 button, and then you see the little line right here. You'll need to wait 20 seconds. When it go all the way down, gonna swipe up by itself. Again, I'm not even touching the screen. It's easy.
Векнешь, я тебе очко выбью, понял? Еще раз векнешь, я тебе
See,
очко выбью, понял?
you need to wait
Еще
until
раз
the line is all
векнешь,
the way
я
down,
тебе
so
очко
it's gonna
выбью,
scroll
понял?
down by itself.
Очко выбью.